Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the first week of 2026, the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And I just made this journal out of I sold a journal and I shipped it off, and I had some extra of that real heavy packaging, and I thought I'll use that. And so I took some of this, I have this color copier paper that I've had for years. I don't use it hardly any, and I still have lots left, so I figured I'd use that. If I don't like the color when I do the collage, I can always cover it up then. But I got myself plenty of room. There's plenty of growth, and because I like to put lots of stuff in there, so I do have a big overhang, but I figure if it expands, I may need it. So we are going to get started here. And my prompts for this week, and I'm going to go ahead and open it to my page. That's the only thing, is I have to keep a clip to keep my pages flat. All right, so we need a road sign, and I don't see this road sign too terribly much here. In fact, never. But I figure my Australian friends see it a lot. I'm sorry, my Kit Kat wants to sing now. He wants to be a star. Then we've got something rustic. We have got this tractor, something hung on a wall. I've got this frame, light shade of blue. It just so happened that my page ends up being on a blue page, so that works. We've got Disney and graph paper. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to turn this just a tad so I'm not at the bottom of the screen like I usually am. All right, so I think I'm going to put that there. And this is big, so I want to figure out where to put that. And I have my tractor I could put there. I have to say, a lot of people do themes and stories. I'm not good at that, but I do like to just kind of make it look good, and hopefully it will be good. So we have got, I'm going to put Pooh and Tigger. So let me see how I want to do this. I know I want the graph paper down there. It will be a bottom layer. And now my glue doesn't want to work. I've had more problems with my glue lately. I'll be right back. All right, hopefully this will work. I haven't used my glue today. I should have got it going. All right. Now I'm working in a smaller way than I normally do. So I think I'm going to kind of just turn that sideways, and I'm just going to kind of glue it right here for right now. So if I want to tuck something, I can. And I kind of want a little bit of that graph paper showing. Now, I think I forgot I was going to put that there. So maybe I want to bring it down some. And I can get this down. Well, I do hope everybody's doing great. I hope you're having a great start to the new year. Ours is fine. My husband and son's watching the Duke's Mayonnaise Bowl, or whatever they call it now in Mississippi State. I'm sorry, I love my Bulldogs, but they didn't deserve a bowl this year. And I don't get it, but I'm glad for them. And I love them, and it's not that they played horrible. They may not have won games, but they had some close games. But it's just got started, and it's already ready to get a mess. And I am going to put this Oops, over here. I'll get that down on this side. All right. Now, let's see here. I do have what I did with my glue eraser. See if I clean, and then I can't find anything. There it is. That's the thing. I've been working on my desk. It doesn't take long for it to be a mess again. Although it takes up the paper more than it takes up the glue on this. All right, and let's see. I like ticker. So I have him coming out. We got, I'm going to tell how old these are. But I do love poo. That. Got little piglet. Miss Eeyore, though. And I need I guess I'll put that there. I don't know. Let's see here. Add just a little like this. Let's see how I'm going to decorate this. I meant to put this next to poo, and maybe I still can. And now I can put poop down. All right, and I can get this glued down. And I think I can get this glued down. And I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. Let's see. And now I just want to embellish. So we have this. Can have that coming out. Since my paper over here is red, I think I'll add some red there. And since I've got these flowers, I say let's use them. No need in holding on to these little things because I never find them again. There we go. I'll save that. I might use that for some tape or something. All right, we've got that. Now, I do have a butterfly, but it kind of looks too vintagey. So I think I'm just going to add some words. Now, I inked everything else. I didn't ink these. And it's also light blue, so we've got laugh together. right. Now, I think I will just kind of do a zigzaggy border around this. Frame it out. All right, and let's add some gold splatters. Start the new year off with some sparkle. And find my brush. There we go. I think we're gonna need some more water. Just all right. So we have our road sign for my Australian friends. Something rustic, the tractor. Something hung on the wall. We have got our frame, light shade of blue. We have got our words and our background. We've got Disney, and the bonus is graph paper. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Here's a loose flower here. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP1. And y'all take care. I love you. I hope y'all enjoy this year's Margarete Miller, and I hope there'll be a lot more participating. So until next time, bye y'all.